That's kind of one of my areas of focus, right? Is the wellness side of healthcare and trying to find solutions without going directly to medication. Medication may be the right solution, but try other options first if you can, because medications also come with so many side effects, and that's why people follow my content on TikTok, is because of those scary drug facts that I talk about. So, some of the solutions that we all know about, right? The number one thing that comes to mind is, everybody should know this, right? Stop smoking if you're smoking, right? That's going to be a big, elevator of blood pressure is smoking. Yeah, I can see you're going to say something, Tim. Let me turn the screen
Well,
back around.
smoking is not the only way that tobacco is used down there in Arizona. So there's not. I just want to say, give them the other way, the other thing that you have to stop if they're from that the other type of tobacco use they have to stop as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Any tobacco use, and then obviously alcohol. Too much alcohol is a contributor. It goes back to my personal experience with my grandfather, my dad's dad. Why we don't. Well, I didn't get to spend very much time with him. He passed when I was really young, like 3, 4 years old, and it was his lifestyle, right? A lot of tobacco use, and he used to have those little licorice mint things that he would try to cover up his breath whenever the grandkids came over. And then, of course, alcohol use were the two number one contributing factors. Salt, overuse of salt, table salt, or too many processed foods that have a lot of salt in them. That's another thing that should be pretty well known, right? There's been a lot of studies that people should be aware of, just those really minor things. But then what are some of the good things that you can do, right? And that's where you get into the nutrition of eating, a more healthy, balanced diet of whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Don't underestimate nuts and seeds. I mean, one of my favorite snacks is snacking on nuts and seeds.